Hey, Dr. Kethu here. I am at Dallas Lovefield Airport. Today I'm flying to Washington, D.C. to run Marine Corps Marathon in Washington, D.C. This is going to be my marathon number 101. There is a very long line to get the packet. I've never seen such a long line to pick up the packet. More lines.
Yeah, so again, no, they didn't put them on. Station 8, look at the church.
And she's like, okay, survival.
QR codes and IDs ready. Right side, ID ready.
Customers to aid. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
Yellow Line train, Mount Vernon Square, 17 Convention Center. Your next station is Far Plaza.
That's Pentagon. We just got out of the train station in Pentagon. Now it's about a 1 mile walk to the start line.
personal record or just simply running over 23,000 runners have been launched. You will be the company preparing your start by aircraft flown by the We're proud to have you in the family.
At mile 5.
Stay hydrated.
Mile number 6.
Pick someone and beat him. Come on.
Mile number 10. Mile 12. Mile 16. Beautiful US Capitol building.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Keep you motivated. Push that pace. Push that pace.
Keep it up! Keep it up!
20 miles. Mile 22.
Walk this way. I was born in a frame.
You do this every year.
Yeah, we do this every year.
Every year. Fireball.
There you go.
Fireball.
Cheers.
Cheers. 24 miles. 25 miles. 26 miles. There is a big hill at last 0.2 miles.
Congratulations, great job.
Thank you.
Just about to finish the Marine Corps Marathon.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good job.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Make sure you're
Congratulations.
dehydrated properly. Good work today.
I have to talk very closely to the phone because my microphone died. What do I think of Marine Corps Marathon? I liked it because of two reasons. One is it's very unique. You run through all the landmarks in Washington D.C. Very interesting and beautiful course. And the second is it's completely managed, organized by U.S. Marine Corps, which makes it very special. And there is a special tribute for fallen soldiers, which is very heart-touching. All in all, it's a very great experience. Course support was good. Finish line food was great. There are a lot of choices, and they had well-organized shuttles back to the metro or to the hotels. So that was nice. I give it a thumbs up.